On a personal note, for the old man, what he's taught me, he hasn't taught me much, eh? He's taught me much. Now the old man, if you guys know, the old man, every show we're doing, he's on the mixer. So he has control of all our mics, all our instruments, everything. You know, Angelo comes on, walla, 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 walla. Everyone is, you know, going harder, and he just goes, and then he turns to the old man, Dad. And Papano, being him, he's like, get off, because he muted the bloody mixer. Oh, bro. We were all in fits, we were cracking up.
Teaser, because in school I was only known for mocking people. So I'll be just mocking everyone. And then I'll be the one going into like detention. But I was just known for teasing people. And that's how teaser came about. Oh, didn't Baba know?
What's your stage name?
Teaser. That's how it came about.
Yeah, you're definitely not allowed to post that. Papa's gonna give it. No, they're gonna record it first.
I'm just gonna test your
Oh,
sound.
yeah. Oh, all right, then. Hello, everybody. How's your day? Can you hear me out there?
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. It's your girl Minch here. Well, all I can say is that Papa No'o is our chat. Yo, sorry. All I can say is that Papa No'o is our how do you say that one? Godfather music, eh? Okay. Take two.
Every Sunday there's couple comes. Kutia, Friday. All right. So I said, I thought I was only dreaming. And they were dancing. They were dancing like that. The news came on the air that my friend Freddie had passed away. Da, 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 da. Come to the chorus. Then when they come to like a Freddie, and you can see them, Freddie, and you go down to the outstation go in. And I was just looking at them, look at them. They don't even understand what's the song. They're holding, it's like a love. One ear like that, one ear never miss. They miss when they get sick. But they, after that 1 year, Brenda, do you understand what the song means? No, why? Why you like it? It's a beautiful song. Are you sure? But thank you. I'll tell you the story. Freddie, this is my friend. He passed away. Huh? And when I look at you, Freddie.
In your precious hand, Freddie.